Welcome to my channel. Place your link 20 for review. Are you tired of feeling like you're endlessly spinning your wheels trying to drive traffic to your online ventures? Have you tried countless methods and products, only to find yourself stuck in the same rut? If so, it's time to shake things up with Place Your Link 24. How would you like to press one button and get free daily traffic to any link? No experience, email list or tech skills required. In today's online landscape, traffic is the lifeblood of any successful venture. Without it, even the most promising business ideas can wither away. That's where Place Your Link 24 steps in, promising a revolutionary approach to traffic generation. This system claims to be the ultimate solution for anyone seeking to boost their online presence and drive real, targeted traffic to their links. What sets Place Your Link 24 apart? Place Your Link 24 sets itself apart from the crowded marketplace of traffic generation tools with its simplicity and effectiveness. No longer do you need to spend hours crafting social media posts or investing in expensive ad campaigns. With Place Your Link 24, all it takes is a few clicks to submit your link, and you're set to receive free, daily traffic to your chosen URL. Complete set and forget system. Submit your link once and get free daily traffic forever. Works in any niche. All clicks from real buyers. No bots here. Totally newbie friendly. No list required. Set it all up in seconds. No videos to make. How does it work? 3 steps is all it takes. Step 1. Purchase. Grab a copy of Place Your Link 24 today before the price goes up. Step 2. Set up your system. Just press the button to submit your link. Step 3. Sit back and enjoy your free buyer traffic each and every day forever. Better for who? Dear affiliate marketer or newbie, are you still struggling to make headway in your business? Can't seem to get anywhere without an email list? Can't afford to pay for traffic? Don't want to spend hours making review videos? Fed up with buying product after product? If you answered yes to any of the above, then Place Your Link 24 is the solution for you. Why you need to Place Your Link 24? Imagine pressing a single button and unlocking a floodgate of free, targeted traffic to your website or affiliate link. With Place Your Link 24, that dream becomes a reality. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete newbie, this system is designed to level the playing field and give you the competitive edge you need to succeed in today's digital landscape. Benefits of Place Your Link 24. No experience, email list, or tech skills are required. Set and forget system for consistent traffic. All clicks come from real buyers, ensuring quality leads. Works in any niche, giving you unlimited potential. No videos to make or complex strategies to learn. Enjoy free buyer traffic day after day, month after month. Are you ready to start seeing results like these ones that DAWD achieved? Banked these earnings as of early July 2020. So, who is Place Your Link 24 for? Affiliate marketers, stay-at-home moms, e-commerce store owners, local business owners, ClickBank affiliates, CPA marketers. Check out 5 big value bonuses. Bonus 1. 50% discount off of the Elite Academy, value $997. Bonus 2. Free URL tester, value $397. Bonus 3. Massive product bundle. Get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers, value $397. Bonus 4. Reseller rights to 20 of DAWD's previous products, value $997. Bonus 5. Dedicated customer support, 24/7 support from our top team, value $497. Place Your Links 24 represents a game changer in the world of online traffic generation. With its simple yet powerful approach, this system has the potential to transform your online presence and drive real results for your business. So why wait? Take control of your traffic today with Place Your Link 24 and unlock the door to limitless possibilities. To get your access, click the description link below.